Welcome to this relaxing tapping meditation, designed to help you relax and find calm before you sleep. Find a comfortable and quiet space to unwind. Take a deep breath, letting the air fill your lungs, and then exhale slowly. As you begin tapping, allow your body to relax and prepare for a restful night's sleep. We'll start by tapping on the side of the hand. Even though I'm still feeling awake, I choose to relax and prepare for sleep. Eyebrow. I welcome the feeling of relaxation into my body. Side of the eye, inviting calmness to fill my mind. Under the eye, allowing my muscles to unwind. Under the nose, letting go of today's activity. Under the mouth, I feel my body getting heavier. Collarbone, embracing the stillness of the night. Under the arm, sinking into a state of calm. Top of the head, I am ready to relax deeply. Now back to the side of the hand. Even though I have extra energy, I'm choosing peace and restful sleep. Eyebrow. I am ready to welcome sleep. Side of the eye. Feeling my eyelids grow heavy. Under the eye. I embrace the quiet of the night. Under the nose, my mind and body are calm. Under the mouth, drifting into a restful state. Collarbone, I am at ease and ready to sleep. Under the arm, a peaceful sleep is coming to me now. Top of the head, I surrender to sleep and relaxation. Take a moment to breathe deeply, feeling the comfort and peace within you. Let these feelings gently guide you into a restful and rejuvenating sleep.